Hello everyone! Today's I Do You Do lesson, we will be working with using the graphical representation of numeric data to describe the center spread and the shape of the data distribution. Let's start by reading the I Do problem. The distance in kilometers employees live from their workplace is displayed in the histogram below. Which statement best represents the histogram? On the right side of the screen, you will see the cube strategies that we will be using today. We will start with circle or underline keywords. But if you prefer, you can always highlight. Best represents the histogram. Distribution of data is symmetrical. Spread of the data is 20. Distribution of the data is asymmetrical. Distribution of the data has gaps. Then we box our question. Which statement best represents the histogram? Next, we elaborate. Distribution of data is symmetrical, which means even on both sides. Spread of the data is 20. Could be your mean or your median. Distribution of the data is asymmetrical. More data to the left or right. The distribution of the data has gaps. Space in between. Our final step is to solve the problem by going through each answer choice. A. The distribution of the data is symmetrical, therefore the center is likely within 20.1 to 30, the kilometers section. Distribution means that it is symmetrical by saying it is even on both sides and that most of our data is between 20 and 30. The spread of the data is 20, which means our mean or median is 20, but there is a range, so we are not sure if it is 20 or if it could be 20. The distribution of the data is asymmetrical, therefore the center is within 20.1 to 30 kilometers section. It is not asymmetrical because we already know that it is symmetrical because it's even on both sides. C is incorrect. D, the distribution of the data has gaps. If we look at the data from 0 to 50, there are no gaps. D is incorrect. The correct answer choice was A. The distribution of the data is symmetrical. We are now done solving the I Do problem. At this time, you can move on to the You Do problem and use the cube strategies to solve.